Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So in this session, I want to make a presentation about China country introduction. So welcome to China. So China, and here there is map. China is near with the South Korea, Japan, and then there's Mongol, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and then Myanmar, Thailand, and Philippines. And the China is literally uh, the biggest country, the fourth biggest country in the world, and China is located in the East uh, Asia. Is the fourth largest country by land area, and in here, by the big of land of in China, China have estimated to have around 1.4 billion people. Like Indonesia, compared with Indonesia, Indonesian is 280 million people, and in here is 1.4 billion. So it's literally big country and a uh, lot of people in China. So next it is a brief history of China. China long history spans of from ancient dynasty like Shang, and Zhou to the golden age of Han and Tang. And then in here history is very important to China's people because them all is make China is more grow and more big like now. Maybe you already know if you following maybe I show speed. China now is a great country, large country, and have good people on there. And maybe because this history and the traditional of China, they can grow up more better. Now, in here, Chinese culture, Chinese have a new year, or maybe you know about the spring festival, and if the new Chinese New Year in China, uh, they them will be try to uh, what maybe you know barongsai. Yeah, it's traditional or Chinese culture, and it's mixed with the firework with in the middle of Shanghai, China. And maybe if you maybe sometime look to New Year in China, it's very big and very like how to say Maria, Maria farewell. It's very farewell in the city because the firework, the barongsai, and then the drone, it will be like crazy things in China, and it's like very amazing if you come to China or even just look in the video. Okay, next, famous landmark, maybe you know about the Great Wall of China. It's a very long stretch, is over 13,000 miles, and it's very big and very large, and it's some iconic of China. Next, it's wildlife in China. Maybe you know about the giant panda, and it's from China, and it's very cute, maybe, but and on there is very much big or giant panda and the tiger, Chinese tiger. It's like iconic too in the China. Next, in here, China have agriculture in China. The big agri agriculture in China, and they have one of largest of agriculture, and of uh, in there have like the main crops include rice, wheat, corn, tea, and cotton. Next, and here the sport in China. Maybe you know in a world champion of table tennis, it's a lot of China's and or ping pong. It's China's is the one of greatest country, and the badminton like last year China uh, versus Indonesia. I think it's best uh, sports with the badminton, and maybe in running too they have a good athlete like that. And then the popular tourism, there is Shanghai, the city that combine the big city, and there is Beijing, China's capital city, and then Guilin, natural, or maybe you have to look some river or like something on there. And then there is Xi'an. There is like maybe you can look the temple or something that's more yeah, around like temple like that. Next, Chinese technology. Maybe you already know about Alibaba, TikTok, Xiaomi, Huawei. And then maybe you ever see the video of iShowSpeed. It's look the technology of China. Like maybe you know Xiaomi cars, SU7 Ultra. It's very great technology from China. I think that's the best car from China. And and then next we have fun fact about China. China have the world oldest continuous civilization with over 4,000 years of history. And maybe fun fact of China, the people in China is love if the child on there is uh, learning in the train station or in the bus station, and others maybe if you want to uh, learn, maybe you can learn to China like pepatah in Indonesia, the that's is belajarlah hingga ke negeri Cina. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I sorry as mistake. Huh? So the conclusion of this Chinese country, it's a great the great country, and it's a big country. And I think if you want to learning about the IT or something for technology, you can come to China. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.